you watch the video of urban company services. Of course, when you book the services of sofa cleaning, make sure that you stay there while they're cleaning the sofa. That's the point you've got to remember. If you like this video and want to go for urban company sofa cleaning services, let's see how to book the services. Okay, for first time users, you can click on the link as shown in the video. You'll be getting 100 rupees coupon you can apply at the checkout. Okay, way back to booking services of urban company as shown in the video. You can click on the link. I'll provide this link also in the description box. After clicking on the link, you install the app. After installing the app, this is the home screen that appears before you. You can click on the search bar if you want sofa services exclusively. You see here, I'm giving the search as sofa cleaning. You can click on sofa cleaning as shown in the video. You got to scroll down here and add to the cart. But before that, you got to select. You see here carpet cleaning, mini services, mattress cleaning. You can watch the video if you want as how they clean the sofa and click on add button if you want the services. Once you click on add button, you got to select 3 sofa seats or 7 or 8, whatever, according to your choice. Here I have selected 3 sofa seats. It says 599 rupees. Once you select, click on done. Once you click on done, you can go to view cart as shown in the video. Here you can add Urban Plus membership plan if you want. Otherwise you can skip that and click on address and slot. Once you click on address and slot, you got to select your address and click on proceed. Once you click on proceed, this kind of screen appears before you. You got to select the slot. Click on select slot. Click on date and the time you want the service to be rendered by Urban Company. And click on proceed to checkout. Make payment. That's it, done. Your sofa cleaning services are booked. Not only sofa cleaning services, you can go for any other services. Okay, of course, if you're a new user, don't forget to apply the coupon at the checkout and book your services, right? That's it all for today. Keep smiling. Have a good day. Do subscribe. Don't forget.